Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make 7-layer dip. First, gather all your ingredients, including a 9x 13-inch baking dish. Begin by spreading 2 16-ounce cans of refried beans evenly across the bottom of your dish. This forms the crucial first layer. Next, gently add 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese over the beans. This creates a smooth, creamy base for the layers to come. It's a simple start to a delicious dip. Now, let's continue building those delicious layers. Take 1 16-ounce container of sour cream and carefully spread it over the cream cheese layer. Ensure it's an even coating. Then, sprinkle 1 25-ounce packet of taco seasoning directly over the sour cream. This adds a fantastic burst of flavor. Finally, spread 2 cups of your favorite guacamole evenly over the seasoned sour cream. This vibrant green layer is always a crowd pleaser. We're almost there. For the next layer, generously add 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. This adds a wonderful savory element and a pop of color. Then, carefully top the cheese with 1 cup of freshly diced tomatoes and 1/2 cup of sliced black olives. These fresh ingredients bring a delightful texture and brightness. For a final touch, garnish your dip with some fresh cilantro or chopped green onions. It looks as good as it tastes. Your easy 7-layer dip is now complete and ready to be devoured. You can serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, or cover and refrigerate it for a few hours to let the flavors meld even more. This dip is absolutely perfect for any party, game day, or casual gathering. It's always a huge hit. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.